Hey guys, so I got fidgets. I got 2 slimes, and I'm gonna go get my other 2 fidgets. I'll be right back. So I got 3 slimes in this flat box. First, I'm gonna be showing you guys the slimes. So I got these slimes, these little ones. They're all from Walmart. These ones, open this. Usually, you guys in store-bought slimes, it is the beads fall out. But look, the beads are falling out of this one. I really love it. It's actually yellow, but I've been playing with it, so it's clear, so it looks white now. But you guys look. You guys just look. Wait, guys, I'm gonna make it do a really nice crunch for y'all. Feels really good. Woo! Like you guys watch. No beads came out. Next slime. The next one is the same one as this one. It's my favorite out of all the slime I got. Beads don't come out of it. Make it do a nice crunch for y'all. This one was also clear, which I'll do another thing with them whenever they clear up, which will probably be tomorrow. You guys. I'm gonna show you all the slime first. So you guys, I got this slime super cloud, and these ones are slime crackle. But look, you guys. This one is cloud slime. It's clay slime because, well, it's a butter slime. It's butter slime. It's clay slime, you guys. Clay slime. Butter slime, which that's what basically what clay slime is. Butter slime, that's what clay slime is. It's fluffy butter slime. Because you guys look. So all of these are 10 out of 10 except for the blue one. The blue one is a 9.5. This flat ball is an 8.5 because it's like sticky. Look at its egg. There's this trend on TikTok where like if you like put Coke and egg and vinegar together, go back 24 hours later, it'll be like this, but that's not true. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video where I was showing you guys all my fidgets. It was very quick, but bye.